We had quite a big project done. We had to do all the siding. They had to take off all the old shingles. We had wooden shakes on the house mostly, and they took off all the wooden shakes. And they put on on vinyl siding, and we also had all the windows, most of the windows put in, replaced, upstairs and downstairs.
John Bryson, who was the first person we talked to, he came here maybe 2 or 3 times and explained things to us. He was excellent. And Carlos is in charge of the crew. It's easy to get back to. He addressed things we thought needed to be addressed. They were just great to work with. And the actual men who did the siding they were both perfectionists. They wanted everything to be done really well. Over the garage and over the porch, we have a lot of intricate work, and they were able to duplicate that.
Nice.
The men that did the staining and the windows, the same thing. So we would highly recommend them to anybody.
That's amazing.
Really, both my wife and I were really happy with the job. The thing we were most happy about was the communication. The people we dealt with, from the first person who came down and gave us estimates, to the person who was in charge of the project, to the workmen, everybody was easy to communicate with, and were obviously willing to please us and to make sure that we were satisfied. That was their major focus all the time, and we could see that easily in the way they treated us and the way they talked to us. Whenever we had a question, they answered it, they explained things well. We were very happy.